Hi guys, welcome to Goldfries, and in this video we have a look at the DeepCool Gammaxx GT. I'll be pairing it with the Ryzen 5 2400G, and I'll be comparing it with the stock cooler of the Ryzen 5 2400G, which is the Wraith Stealth. Now let's have a look at the performance. As you can see from the performance, the Gammaxx GT totally floors the Wraith Stealth, being almost 15 degrees Celsius cooler on the load test. The Gammaxx GT itself isn't any spectacular as a tower cooler. It's a usual setup with copper pipes in contact with the surface, but it does have an all-aluminum housing with RGB capability. DeepCool does include a wired controller for it, but I find this rather pointless as you wouldn't want a controller hanging around your casing. Fortunately, you can control it via software. I'm using the ASRock RGB software to configure this unit. As for installation, it is easy. Alright, so that's it for the DeepCool Gammaxx GT. Now, as you saw just now, the RGB lights are quite nice when it comes to, let's say, customizing your rig. But is that what you want for a cooler that retails at RM 179? It's quite a price there for a tower cooler, but yes, you do get nice RGB fan and decoration, this deco on top with lights. The fan runs at about 1500 RPM and has pretty good CFM, the airflow for it. And overall, it really depends on what you want out of the cooler, looks or performance. Overall, I give this DeepCool Gammaxx GT a bronze badge. Alright, so that's it for this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.